boasting high caliber finishes, endless northern sun, and one of Cremorne's most sought after streets. Hi, my name's Titan Davis, proudly representing Pello. I can't wait to show you through this home. It offers convenient lower North Shore living at its finest. Let's go take a look. As you enter the home from the level lift access, you're instantly greeted with engineered oak flooring and a flood of natural sunlight. This home has been completely transformed to the highest standard, with the kitchen being the real heart of the home. It features 40mm stone bench tops, integrated fridge and dishwasher, as well as induction cooking and bar fridge. The lower level also includes a flexible living and dining area which flows effortlessly onto the north-facing terrace. Something that I love about this apartment that I know will stand out to so many buyers in this price range, apart from the unique split level design, has to be this huge 16 square metre terrace behind me. It has a retractable awning which makes it perfect for all year round entertaining. Moving upstairs, you'll find the accommodation which is spread across 2 generous bedrooms plus third bedroom or study. These rooms are serviced by a stylish renovated bathroom with a separate shower and bathtub. Other features include second bathroom with internal laundry, building amenities including common rooftop terrace with a barbecue, a fully equipped gym and split system air conditioning. The location for this property is of the utmost convenience, with all modern amenities at your doorstep, including the best of cafes and restaurants, the Orpheum Cinema, and a direct bus into the Sydney CBD. After walking you through this home, I know it ticks all the boxes when it comes to luxury, low maintenance living. If there's any questions, give me a call, otherwise we'll see you at the next inspection.